Okay, today we're going to do a inner CV joint. Did an outer CV joint before. Now we're going to show you how to take an inner CV joint off an axle. Now this is earlier axles before they came out with the tripoles and stuff. Anyway, they're around, they're still being used. So today we're going to do that, show you how easy it is to take a inner CV joint off an axle. To take off the inner CV joint, there's a circlip that goes around the end of the axle. And it has a boot like this. On this one, I cut off the boot. It makes it easier. So, the boot would be up against this. I just cut it off. That's the reason all you see is the metal part. Easiest way for me, brass drift, brass hammer. Please don't use steel hammers or steel drifts. You come to the back side, and you just tap it off. If you have to, you go on one side or the other in case it starts to cock. I've got that plastic down there, so if it drops, hopefully it drops in the trash can. See, you can begin to see the threads. Just keep tapping on the inner. And eventually, it comes off. This one's a little harder. It's also an aftermarket CV joint. So, see this here? They didn't put anything on the threads. This is an aftermarket CV joint. And later on, we'll have a little video on why you don't use these. But see this? When they put it back on, they didn't put any anti-seize on the threads. Not threads. What are they? I don't remember. Can't remember the term. Getting old. But anyway, this is the way I take them off. You could also use a puller, but this is just simpler. And this is what I do. You don't have to.